to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be working on the white truck. So, y'all know when we got the 22s for this thing, these are the tires that it came with, and these things are terrible. I hate these tires, to be completely honest with you. I drove the truck a handful of times since putting them on here, and not real happy. They're backwards, and well, essentially they're backwards because if they're the right direction, these things ride horribly. So that's why they're backwards. But anyway, y'all know a few months ago, I think, or probably the better part of 6 months ago at this point, more than likely, I picked up some Nitto Terra grapplers for this thing. Well, today I'm going to be taking these things and get these swapped with the Nittos. So anyway, I'm going to let this thing sit here and run a minute. Need to go move some stuff in the shop, move some stuff around. We're going to get this thing, get these off, and then tomorrow, I've been meaning to take the blue truck and get the tires rotated on it. So tomorrow, when I drop it off to get those switched, we're going to drop these off as well and get them switched. So anyway, I'm going to hop up in there. I'm going to pull this down the shop, move some stuff around, and we'll pull it in the shop and get these off here. And also, this thing needs a clean horribly. So I'm thinking in one of the next videos, we're going to get this thing cleaned up too, because it's been a while, if you can tell. This was dirty from years ago. But I don't know how well y'all can tell, but this thing is filthy. The roof is terrible. So like I said, I got some stuff in from Rev that we're going to be using to clean this thing up, and it's kind of a segue there. If y'all need any detailing supplies, I will leave a link down below, and my it's like a discount code for Rev. If y'all need any cleaning supplies or anything like that, hit them up, and I'll also put it up here on the screen somewhere. So anyway, like I said, I got a bunch of stuff from them to try, so I guess here in the next couple videos we will try that as well on this thing. But I'm gonna get this thing in the shop. I got some stuff moved around down there, and well, pull this thing in there and get these wheels and tires off. Alright, so get these things off here. Now I will say, 2 of these are pretty good. The other 2 are not terrible, but they don't ride the best, and they're very, very noisy. Same thing here. I mean, one's pretty good, one's really good. So anyway, I guess first thing in the morning, we'll load these in the blue truck, and we'll take them and get these things swapped out. Alright guys, so it is the next morning. So yesterday, like I said, we got these off, and then this morning went and got these out of storage. So these are ready to go on. They got some little leaves and stuff in them, but they should be fine. So the way I'm going to do these, if you didn't know, Nittos have like 2 different sidewalls. You have a less aggressive and then a little more aggressive. You can see that. We'll have them do them aggressive side out, because it's the white truck. And well, I guess we're about to head up there. Like my grandpa's going to grab the blue truck, and we're going to attempt to put all of these in the bed of the blue truck, which I'm not certain is going to work, but we're going to try it because the 6.0 is almost out of fuel. I've been kind of driving it around, around here, trying to get it low on fuel because I have a fuel system and sump for it. So I don't know if it has enough fuel to make it up there, but if these don't fit in there, we're going to try it. So anyway, I guess we're going to try to get these in here. And also, same size tire, so 35, 1250, 22. So same size as these. It looks like it's a little taller, or maybe a little skinnier, but they're also not mounted. So we'll see how it looks. But anyway, I guess we're going to try to get these in the blue truck, and we'll go drop it off, get those tires rotated, get these put on, and well, I guess I'll catch y'all when we get back. Alright guys, so as you can see, they did actually fit. We got the tailgate tied up, and we got kind of strapped together, so should be fine. Especially being the tire shop we're going to. It's not the same people that attempted to align my front end and didn't do all that great. It's a different tire shop that my grandpa has known the owner of for years. They've always done good work for us, so that's who we're going to go to. And honestly, the alignment that I paid $100 for this thing, and all they did was adjust the toe in, not great. This thing's already doing funny stuff with the tires, but anyway, we're gonna head that way and get them things all swapped out, and like I said, I guess I will catch y'all when we get back. Alright guys, so we just got back from the tire shop, got all four of these swapped around. Anyway, got these somewhat tight. We'll have to set it down, torque all of them, and we can finally put the center caps back on. So anyway, I'm gonna get these, get the rest of these on here, and then I will pull it out and let y'all have a look at it. Alrighty guys, so we got them all on here. We need to clean these off. Funny thing about those, took those to him and told the lady in the office, because they were busy, aggressive side out, marked it, everything. Went and picked them up, brought them back, and I was in the car, had to get groceries and stuff, so I was in the car, had to come back, and forgot to check these, and got back and they were backwards. So took them back, and they just swapped them out. Went ahead and swapped them around, and we're good to go. So anyway, I got to run up here, get the key, and also noticed that my tag is expired. So need to find the sticker for that. It's in the house. And then we will take this thing on a little bit of a test drive here. And also one more thing, we did get all of the center caps back on. So we're good to go. But anyway, I gotta run up here to the house, grab the key, and we're gonna take this thing on a test drive and see how it drives. Alright guys, so I got my registration sticker on, good to go there. So I'm gonna take this thing for a drive, and we'll see how this thing does with the Nittos back on it finally. Alright, so I will say it's so much better. Now that road that I was just on is horrible, so I got my arm rested against the door panel, that way y'all can kind of see. But these tires do have a little scoop, but that's so much better. So I am very, very happy about that. But they got a little, little road noise, but I'm not worried about that. this thing doesn't have to be silent, but when you max out your radio and you have 2 10-inch subs, kicker speakers and everything is maxed out, and you can still hear tires over radio, that's a little bit too much for me. But I took this way. I'm gonna stop up here, get a thumbnail for this video, and I guess I will catch you guys back at the house. Alright guys, so we just made it back to the house, and I will say this thing is so much better driving wise. So very happy about that. Now hold on, let me flip the camera around here. Alright, so sorry if I look like an absolute mess. I do apologize, but this thing is so much better with these tires. So with that being said, there's a few things we still need to do here and there for this thing to be like drivable. For one, I need to clean the gym module in this thing, or replace it, or whatever that we're gonna do. I'll came out real quick. Anyway, I need to clean the gym module. I also need to replace some of the front end parts on this thing and give it an alignment, because this, I don't know how well I can tell, straight is about here, and that's not real great. And we need to finish these step brackets. So anyway, I'm gonna take him for a ride in this thing, and I guess I'll catch y'all when we get back. Alright, so here this thing is. No, I just took him on a ride, and he likes it too. So this thing is so much better. So I guess with that being said, like I said, sometime or another we're gonna have to pull this gym module out of here and try to get it. I'm gonna try to clean it, see how that works. If it doesn't work, we'll buy a new one. But need to get that sorted out. I need a new steering wheel, really, but we don't need a steering wheel for it to be drivable. This one will work for now, but I mean, it's pretty rough. Yeah, but anyway, we need to get that gym module taken care of. There's some front end parts that I would like to replace. It's not like a necessity, I guess, but you know, within the next couple months, I would definitely like to get this whole front end redone, get this thing a nice fresh alignment. But really, the big things that we're needing to do is we need to get that gym module taken care of, and we need to get these step brackets finished, get the other one mounted and whatnot. So I've been kind of brainstorming about this thing. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of looking through my Snapchat like memories and stuff, and it really got me going. I want to get this thing finished up and back driving again. So I guess in one of the next videos we're gonna give this thing a good clean. It's kind of getting late in the day for that. So I'd like to do that. I'd like to retint this thing. Not really dark enough, really, for me. And the guy that did the tint on this didn't do the greatest job. The back window, I mean, you can see it's peeling right there. The back window's got all kind of dirt in it. Got a crease in it there. Got some cut marks. You know, not great. So I need to do that. I'd really like to get the headliner back in this thing finally. I need to pick a color because I kind of want to do blue. But I'd like to find a blue that matches the shade of the pearl, if that makes sense, because that's the same color I want to do the suspension. And if I could get like all three to match, I think that would be really cool. So, but anyway, that's kind of that. So with these, like I was talking about, we need to get these lowered a bit more. I wanted them high, but if I get my foot up here, as you can see, I can't get my foot under them. So they're really not much good. I have to step sideways and pull myself up in it. It's not great. So I have to do something about that at one point. But guys, I guess that's going to be. But anyway, guys, I guess that is going to be a wrap for this video. So with that being said, if if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day. And also, if you have any suggestions for the white truck here, drop a comment down below. Let me know, because I want to get back to this thing here real soon. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.